What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be installing some Kinky curly K-tips. So here I'm just showing you guys the K-tip tool that I'll be using to install them. This is the heat tool that I ordered from Amazon, and I'll drop the link in the description below so you guys can purchase this heat tool if you like it. I believe the highest setting that it goes to is like 340 degrees or maybe 420 degrees. I'm not 100% sure. So it looks like it actually heats up to 430 degrees. And it has a simple on and off switch to the right. Here is just the K-tips that I'll be installing. They're going to be an 18 inches 4B 4C texture, and it's going to be in a natural brown color. And here I'm just unpackaging the hair. Came with like a little hair net wrapped around it, and then the little rubber band string that it has attached here. I'm just removing more rubber bands and securities on it. So I just hopped straight into it once I got the hair unsecured out of the little band. I did my hair in sections, so I'm doing the left side first and then I'm doing the right side. So I'm just taking down the braids here, or this braid rather, because I'm gonna leave the other side completely braided until I get done installing the K-tips on the left side. Now that that braid is out, I'm doing like a little comb through to get like any naps or kinks out, so that way I got a little fresh starting plate to install these K-tips. Also, this is my very first time ever installing K-tips, so if I didn't do it right or it's not how others would recommend, I'm not a professional and I'm not 100% sure as to what I'm doing. I just watched a bunch of videos of other people installing K-tips and decided, hey, I will try this myself. So here I'm just sectioning off the bottom portion that's going to be the leave out. So now that I have that portion sectioned off, I'm going to start by installing the first K-tip. See here, I'll struggle quite a bit to get my part to be how I want it to be, as well as getting it set up to install the first K-tip. I just clip the rest of the hair up and out the way. I'm struggling here to keep the hair out of the last section, or the section that I'm installing the K-tips on. So I didn't make any of my parts clean. I just took a section of hair, put in this little plastic thing that they gave me to make sure I'm only applying a K-tip to that piece of hair. This is the K-tip and I customized it. So I basically cut half of the plastic off the top, or the keratin bond off the top. Then I cut it in half, so that I can apply it to a smaller section. So I'm getting the use of 2 K-tips out of one original one sitting in the package. So yeah, here is where I definitely struggled trying to get this installed. This is the first one, and I didn't know how to line it up. Show y'all a closer look. Trying to literally clamp down on this and looking out of a mirror in front of me to see behind me. Here's where I realized I didn't apply enough heat. So I applied some more heat, got it stuck, did a little tug test. And that's the first one installed. It's not that good, but it'll do. So I just moved on to the next K-tip install. I'm just trying to make sure no other stray hairs get caught in this. I'm just looking to make sure the sections are the same. And then this is the other half of the K-tip from the first one that I showed y'all on camera that I cut in half. And again, here I'm struggling to line it up, but I got it a little bit. Took me a few tries. Another little test to see, make sure it's in there. At this point, I'm done with mostly all of the back. I'm at the crown of my head now. And I just wanted to show you guys like a angle from the top, since I kind of got the hang of it. And I can see better with it being up top. So again, here I'm just showing you how I customized the K-tip. Took some nail clippers, cut the extra top of it off. And then with those same nail clippers, I cut it in half. Then showing you guys another close-up. Well, I tried my hardest to infuse this bond in my hair while not burning myself alive. So I think I'm gonna just finish out the rest of this top portion and then come back to y'all once I'm ready to start the right side. Now that I got the hang of putting these in, I'm gonna give y'all one more close-up. Kind of self-explanatory. It's not that bad once you get the hang of it. Take whatever section of hair you want. Make sure your K-tip is the same size. Line it up with your hair. Put the little heat tool on it to infuse the K-tip bond to your hair. You just roll it between your 2 fingers, index and thumb. Gotta make sure it covers your hair though, all the way around, because if not, it will definitely come off. So this is me done with that entire left side. And now I'm moving over to the right side. It don't look too terrible for it being my first time. And also not being able to fully see. So to do just this portion, it took me 4 hours to do just this side. I started at 2:30 and it's currently 6:30 right now. So yeah, I'm about to get started on this next side and I'll come back to y'all when I'm done. So this is the hair completely done and installed. It definitely look a little crazy. I could wear it like this, but I'm not. I'm actually gonna comb and brush through it, try to style it a little bit. But yeah, this is what it's looking like all throughout. And I only used 100 grams. My head is pretty small, so that's why I didn't take a lot. But yeah, I'm about to style it and see what I can do with it. So I'll get back to you guys once I figure that out.